Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video, I'm looking at some of the ideas that we discussed yesterday in the exact same thing here in this free video. I like doing this because if you can take an idea, the whole purpose of this is to take actionable trade ideas and then review them. So you come back in and you start with the work that we've shared in XLY, and it begins with the weekly squeeze, which is the first and primary reason that we think a given ETF or any type of product is going to head higher. Alright, because of that signal, we have the wind to our back, and then we come back and compare some of these previous swing highs to swing lows to the move that we're going, or the correction that we've been going through for the past couple of weeks, and this ends up offering an important area of support. As we opened up here on Friday, trading above Thursday's high, that was some of our first inclination that this may be getting ready to move along with its components. So I don't generally spend a lot of time with these ETFs, but we did flip over and buy some Amazon. So we've got a vertical on this that goes out 14 days and looking for the squeeze and the momentum to fire long. Now I like defining the risk by what you pay for the spread and then allow it to play out. But if they make it easy, we can hold this low, hold that symmetry low in XLY, and then see Amazon try to catch a bid into earnings. And then one of the places that we were more active was Netflix, because this was a chart that when you go down into the components and you're looking at, Amazon versus Home Depot versus Netflix, try to find those that have the best intraday squeezes, and Netflix really did a good job of that. So the 5 is one that we looked at a couple of times today, and you can see it gave you a signal a little bit in the late morning and then once in the early afternoon. So you can look at this a lot of different ways. We had come in selling some of the 400 puts against this, and then even today, some of those were previous, and then these are all today's executions, but then coming in and then selling some of those 405 puts to open, selling them around $1, and as that squeeze was forming, trying to take advantage of, what you think will expire worthless. I could have left them to expire because Netflix closed at 408.25, so the idea was definitely in there and worked great, perfectly off the squeeze. I ended up buying them back for a small debit, but at any rate, there's just a lot of different ways to take this work and look at one general setup, but then look at lots of different ways of trading it, and that's what I was trying to bring to you from start to finish, and I hope you have found it a helpful addition to your trading. If you'd like to dive into a little bit more of it, we are going to be going through our Simpler Summer Series, which is going to be a live trading session with myself and 3 of my other favorite colleagues, so Carolyn, Bruce, and Raghee. If you're interested in this, I think it'll be an excellent summer intensive. Should really get you up to speed on everything that we like to use rather quickly, and we'll take work like this and take it into something that you can apply. So I hope that's helpful. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you at the next free video.